Hey guys, my name is Matt. I'm with D. Caton Fire Island Properties, and I'm super excited to show you my new listing, 2 Spatango Walk. Water Island is an exclusive community here on Fire Island made up of just about 50 homes. 2 Spatango Walk is situated within a private enclave made up of just about 4 homes known as Spatangaville. We are currently on the market at $2,450,000. So walking over to the bay side, you will find your private dock space along with endless views of the Great South Bay. This is truly the place to be to watch the sunsets here on Fire Island. Thanks for checking out my new listing with me, guys. My name is Matt with D. Caton Fire Island Properties. We are currently on the market at 2 Spatango Walk for $2,450,000. Contact me for your private showing today.